Hi, my name is Jeremy, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about FungoSem before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about FungoSem supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this supplement is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is FungoSem, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. FungoSem is a natural formula that cures toenail fungus. It is made with a blend of natural ingredients such as penny root, spirulina, alfalfa, PABA, and more. Through this, the manufacturer Bob Benson promises eradication of fungus from the root cause and rebuilding of the mycobiome so that you won't have to face the same problem in the future. FungoSem formula also adds up to extra immunity in the body. The capsule helps overall by removing even a single particle of harmful fungus from the body. FungoSem oral capsules also aid in overall health by removing toxins from the blood and body. FungoSem natural capsules remove fungal infections from the root. It helps in developing healthy gut health and immune system. According to FungoSem reviews and research, it consists of ingredients that are highly effective and have been used for ages to cure fungal infections, bacterial infections, and regulate the pH of the body. FungoSem formula follows GMP guidelines, hence they are safe for the environment. These are vegetarian capsules, non-addictive, non-toxic, and not tested on animals. Hence, you can give them a try. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with FungoSem supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test FungoSem for 2 months, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for to FungoSem work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, FungoSem has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy FungoSem, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that FungoSem actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.